into the jungle. Hey, what's up, people? So I'm gonna go back there and walk around the woods a little bit, see if we can find anything. Come join me. Alright, so you see all these logs here. It's from the trees that we cut down. Not only that tree, but this one here, you can see how that's got a little bit of a lean to the house. So I had to crawl up there and cut off some big branches to take some weight off of it.
There she goes.
Because the ground is so soft back here that, you know, if it gets real wet, these trees could tip easily with high winds. So let's see, there's already quite a few tipped over back in here. I'll show you. But anyway, so all this wood's got to be cut up and moved because it's driving me nuts. I want to clean it up back here. Get a four-wheeler or something. Gotta watch out for snakes. I don't know if y'all saw the copperhead video, but they are back here. I want to get him so I can see his fangs. And I do actually have shoes on instead of flip-flops, but I'm wearing shorts. So. Alright, so you see this is my kindling pile. And I mean, there's just kindling everywhere. Never run out of wood to burn, that's for sure. So you can see that big old tree is tipped over. That's the one I want to do the ladder up and make a tree fort up there. Or at least like a little bench or something. So yeah, this is something I learned when we first moved in here. So this area I'm standing in right now is actually a protected wetlands. Doesn't look very wet right now, but when it rains a lot, this fills right up with water. The ground underneath here is really wet. So we get these cypress trees. I don't know if these are swamp cypress or bald cypress or what exactly, but you can see those are pretty tall trees. So they only grow in wet conditions. That little one right there, they're all over the place, but those are, I believe, baby cypress trees. And this land, it's kind of an awkward property line because it runs along the back of our neighbors, but basically everything from here over all the way down, probably about a half a mile, is ours. So I want to cut trails through all that back there eventually. Pretty neat. Bet you something lives in there. It doesn't look very stable, does it, to support that tree? Look how it's already leaning. See, that's a cypress tree. See this big one? This fell over with the storm. Yeah, Storm Matthew knocked these down. See that big guy back there? We got this one here. It's been there for a little while. See, that tree is still alive. That one that's leaning back there, right there, is still alive. That's the one I want to do the ladder on. But those are still alive, still rooted and healthy. They're just tipped. So you can see that one. And knocked into that cypress, which somebody cut that. Which knocked into that one. All three of those are resting on that little group of trees right there. So someday they will fall. But at least they're falling away from the house. Got some other ones back here that I need to cut. This one here is dead. It's just dead all the way up. Oh, that's good. Good solid wood. That needs to cut. Coming down now. Need to cut that one. Oh, that's where we need to watch out for snakes. I love the sound of birds back here. It's like our own personal little jungle. Oh, this one here needs to cut. I need to cut this down too. This one here, that fell. That's dead. That one needs to come down. Oh, there's got to be some critters around here somewhere. Chair somebody put there before we moved in. It's fantastic. Have to get that out of there. Lots of burning wood. These things are really neat. Kind of weird. See, I started cutting that one up, but it didn't go quite the way I planned. It's got all this weight from this thing here, so that's kind of stuck there. I have to start from the far end. That's dead. Look at that, it's crunchy. Bet you find some wood beetles or something in there. Oh! Hey now. See, that big fella fell a long time ago. Looks like we got a group of fan palms back there. In the jungle. Surprised we haven't come across any critters, but no snakes, not even some weird looking bugs. There's a lot of wood back here, boy. Could burn every day for the next 5 years. Look at that one. That's still alive up there. It's dead down at the bottom, but must have had a little baby. Might have had a little baby. Yeah, that's still good. Oi. What is that?